Hi, my name is Labrini Rantogianis, middle school science teacher, and welcome to this short video on how to add an assignment using our new Moodle template. Now, you'll recall that when you enter your Moodle course shell, you are brought to your homepage. You will also remember that the content of your course should be separated by week, topic, or unit. Within this tabs is where you are required to have your homework or assignments. Remember that when you edit a page or add a resource, always make sure to turn editing on. To add homework, we're going to be using the Add an Activity or Resource feature down here. When adding homework, you must use this feature, and there are two reasons for this. One, when you use this feature, when you're adding an assignment, the assignment automatically appears on your course shell's calendar, as well as on the home calendar of your students. The home calendar contains the assignments for all courses in which the student is enrolled. Another reason to use the Add an Assignment feature is that students can isolate all their assignments on one page using this feature. This course, assignments, and if I click on this, I have all the assignments for that course on one page, which the students can view, and it's separated by the week, topic, or unit. The order in which these are placed depend on the order in which they're placed within the tab, and I will show you that in a moment. Going back. So to add an assignment, I'm going to click on Add an Activity or Resource. The title of the assignment or homework is at the discretion of the teacher, depending on your course content and your students' needs. For younger students, so for our middle school students, it's probably best that as a core or grade level, you decide on one consistent way in which homework will be presented. I'm going to add the period number here. You may have multiple sections of a particular course, so you can indicate the period. And I'm going to add today's date. Within the description, you will indicate the details of the homework. I'm just going to keep it simple for the purposes of this video. Another neat feature here in the description section is that you can link a file, a website. So I can upload a file or choose any recent files that I've uploaded. I'm just going to choose a recent file. And you can see the highlighted portion here is the file that I've linked. Display description on course page. If you check this off, this description will show under the assignment name within the tab, and I'll show you what that looks like. You can add additional files here in this section here. Availability is another important feature. Once you've indicated the due date of the homework, this helps for the assignment to appear on the student's calendar. So this is an important feature to use. Submission types, feedback types, submission settings, group submission settings, notifications, and grade are all related to whether or not you would like the assignment to be submitted or handed in on Moodle. If so, then you would go through each of the features and see what your needs are for that assignment. Common module settings is a feature that can allow you, once you've enrolled all your students in your class, this can allow you to restrict the assignment to students within a group, to learn how to add groups, how to separate your students into groups and groupings. You can refer to our intranets under Starting to Use Moodle. There are documents there that will take you step by step on how to set up groups and groupings. If you do use groups and groupings, this will avoid always retyping the period number or block number. I will save and return. So the assignment I've just added is down here. I can use the cross to move the assignment, and I'm going to move it to the top. It's probably best to have the most recent on top. It avoids extensive scrolling for the student. And as I said earlier, once you set up the order of the homework or assignments here, this will copy itself on this page here. So the most recent is on top. Now, as for how homework is presented within your tab or within your pages, this again is at teacher's discretion, but we will emphasize that for younger students, middle school students, this should be consistent amongst grade levels. This is one method of doing it. I've used a label here, homework and assignments. It's a simple label, and simply listed the homework underneath. You can choose to use subpages, as I've done here. Here I've used subpages. Again, you can restrict access to these subpages using groups and groupings. So within the subpage, I have the homework only for that period. Going back to the previous method, in order to avoid retyping the same thing, so for example, if you see period 4 and period 1 on the same day and they have the same exact homework and same due date, you can simply avoid retyping this by using the duplicate key here. So if I click on duplicate, the assignment will duplicate itself right underneath, and then all I need to do is click on my pen here and just change the period number. If you need to make any other edits to that assignment, you can click on this right here. Now again, this could be avoided if you'd like to use groups or groupings. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more help with Moodle features, you can contact Mary Manos. If you need more help with Moodle for I2Flex teaching, contact Dr. Avieri Nu, or seek the help of our I2Flex champions. Thank you.